The Realme 12 Pro Plus arrived in January, and the company is already working on its successor, the Realme 13 Pro Plus. Realme 13 Pro 5G series will soon be unveiled in India. The company has confirmed the launch of the lineup in the country. It has also teased the design of one of the upcoming handsets. An unnamed Realme phone has surfaced on the FCC certification website. The company also announced that it will hold an AI imaging media preview event in Bangkok on July 4th. The Realme 13 Pro will be the first professional AI camera phone and is ready to redefine photography, per Realme. The teaser image we have seemingly confirms a continuation of the Realme 12 Pro design, with a centrally placed camera island. There's a HyperImage Plus tagline under the cameras. The Realme 13 Pro Plus will be the first phone to feature a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 3x periscope lens, a 50-megapixel main sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide. Realme 13 Pro Plus features a 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The Realme 13 Pro Plus will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset with Android 14. It will come with a 5000 mAh battery with 67W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.